Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of the Slugrace series, we created all the basic screens, or to be precise, separate apps at this point. In particular, we have the settings screen, the race screen, the bet screen, and the results screen. There's one more screen to make, at least for now, the game over screen. This is the screen that you will see when the game is over, and it will display a message with information about the winner. There will be also two buttons which you can use to either restart or quit the game. The screen in the final version should look something like this. The GUI is pretty simple. We're gonna use a subclass of box layout as the root widget. So let's create the Python file first. Nothing special about it. Here we have our game over screen, which inherits from box layout, and the app is called game over app. Now let's move on to the game over Kivy file. The Kivy file is gonna be pretty simple, so let me just type the code. Here it is. So we need some labels and some buttons here. I'm also going to use board label, which inherits from regular label, so I need these two class rules. Now here's the root screen, which is a vertical box layout, and in the screen we have three board labels, but I overrode these two properties, font size and age align, to make the text bigger, like 140 and 30, and centered. And then we have the two buttons, play again and quit. They are in a box layout. We added some properties to the box layout, like spacing, pass hint, size hint, and size. And now the two buttons, they have the texts, play again and quit respectively. We also set the pass hint, size hint, and size properties. And now let's save this code, and if we run it, we'll see the following. Let me just resize the window a little. Fine, so game over. There's only one player with any money left, so this is the reason why the game is over. This may be different in the final version, but for now it's hard-coded. And now here the winner is player 2, having started at $1,000, winning at $999. So again, this is hard-coded. Here we have the two buttons, play again and quit. So naturally the text is fixed and doesn't reflect the actual result of the game, but we're talking about just the GUI here. Now with all the basic screens in place, let's make them look more like the images from the final versions that we've been using to illustrate what we are aiming at. As you can see, they are graphically more pleasing to the eye. In the following parts, we're gonna learn how to add colors and graphics to our Kivy app. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.